Hello and welcome to the next episode of my channel where I'll be taking up a grammar topic, voice. Now, voice is nothing but a way of saying something. Okay, there are two ways how I can say something. When I talk about the doer first and then the action, it is called active voice. When we talk about the action first and then the doer, it is called passive voice. जब हम कर्ता के बारे में पहले बात करते हैं और उसके काम के बारे में बाद में बात करते हैं, उसे एक्टिव वॉइस कहते हैं. Like for example, I ate an apple. Okay, who is the doer? Who is doing something? I. What was my action? Eating an apple. So when I spoke about the doer first and then his action, it is called active voice. Now in the second type of sentence, passive. When I talk about the action first and then the doer, it is called passive voice. Okay, so let's take up various types of sentences and see the rules. Okay, how to change active into passive. So first we are going to take up simple present. Now before we go to simple present, I just remember a song of Salman Khan, a very famous song. तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन मेरा दिल का ले गए चैन. This is one voice. मेरा दिल का ले गए चैन तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन. So active passive is something like that, just rearranging the sentences. Okay? Now a simple present, as you know, simple present sentences are those sentences which do not have a helping verb. No, is, am, are, no, has, have. So a question again must come to your mind, ma'am, how we will come to know that it is in present tense? By looking at the verb. As you can see, the verb eats. Because it is in V1 form, first form, that means it is simple present. Now there are various ways in which I can change any active sentence into passive. There are 4 rules which you need to by heart. Okay, how to change active into passive. Rule number 1, interchange. I'll be telling you what we are going to interchange. Rule number 2, change the verb into V3. Any form of verb needs to be changed into third form. Rule number 3, addition of by before the new object. Rule number 4, adding something extra. Now let's go in detail. Let's take up a sentence. Ram eats an apple. Who is the doer here? Ram. What action is he doing? Eating an apple. Okay, so obviously this sentence is in active voice. So now let's change. What is the first thing we need to do? We need to interchange. So the apple, as you can see, has come in front and Ram has gone at the last. So what does rule number 1 ask us to do? Interchange. Subject will go at the back, object will come in front. Rule number 2, changing the verb into V3. So the verb in this sentence was eats. It is changed to eaten. Okay, now rule number 3, adding by before the new object. The new object is Ram, so I added by before him. Rule number 4, adding something extra. So what did I tell you in the beginning of the class? What is missing from simple sentences? Helping verb. So what will be the extra word to be added in simple sentences? Helping verb. In the case of present tense sentences, we will be adding is, am, are, simple present. In the case of simple past, we will be adding was or were according to the new subject. चलो दूसरा sentence देखते हैं. Ram plays cricket and tennis. ठीक है? तो सबसे पहले we brought cricket and tennis in front, Ram at the back. Rule number 2, changing the verb into V3. So we change plays into played. Rule number 3, adding by before the new object, that is Ram. And rule number 4, adding something extra. What did I tell you? What will be the extra word? Helping verb. And the helping verb should be according to the new subject. So the new subject is cricket and tennis. Two things. So that is why the helping verb to be added is are. Acha. Why are we not adding was or were? Why are we adding is and are? Because the sentence was in present tense. Suppose I take up a simple past sentence, that is I ate apples. First rule was interchange, so I brought apples in front. Now I will change to me. Second rule was a verb will change into V3, so ate changed to eaten. Rule number 3 was adding by. I added by. Now in this case the extra word will be was or were, because the active sentence was in past tense. So apples, it's plural, right? So we will add were. Apples were eaten by me. Okay? Now, simple future. Now, simple future already has a helping verb, that is will. Okay, so let's see how to do it. A letter will come in front. Me will go at the end. Right will change to V3. Remember, interchange. V3. By. Adding something extra. Now, will is already there. What is there? I can't remove. So, will remain there. But what will be the extra word in this case? Be. Okay, so just memorize these 4 rules and your life will be easy. So today we took up the simple tenses, that is simple present, simple past and simple future. In the next part of this video, we'll be taking up continuous and perfect. I hope you have understood this lesson. Please do like the video and let me know if there is a doubt. Thank you.